Mabuhay! This is how I like my pasta gorgonzola, one of my pasta favorites. I normally use milk instead of heavy cream and some fresh pasta that needs only 4 minutes to cook. This is quick, cheap and easy, but definitely delicious. Let's do it. Let's get started.
so good.